Hello, I'm going to walk you through how to understand some of the data that we'll see in the Clatsop County Commissioner District maps. This is the initial view you'll be presented with, in which you'll see a couple of different things. Number one, you see the Commissioner districts in different colors on this map. Number two, you see some red boundaries that represent city limits for the cities inside Clatsop County. And third, you'll notice numbers that represent the population of block groups within the dotted black lines. They don't align exactly with commissioner districts. So now when we talk about rebalancing commissioner districts, it's important to know which ones are below the target population and which ones are above the target population, where the target population refers to the number of people that would need to be in each commissioner district for the commissioner districts to be of equal population. So we'll start with District 5. By clicking on District 5, this box will pop up and it will tell you which district you're looking at. It will tell you, importantly, the population, 7,523. And then this number here, target deviation, is how far above or below an equal population this district currently is. So what this negative 691 represents is that 691 people would have to be added to District 5 for it to be a balanced population with the other districts in 2020. District 4 and District 5 are both below where they will need to be for equal size commissioner districts in 2020. So District 4 is about 682 people below. Now when we look at the other districts, we see population surpluses. District 3 I've highlighted now has 8,424 people, which is 210 people above where it needs to be equal size. District 2 is even more, 532 people above its target size. And the largest or most growth has happened in District 1, which contains Warrenton and the western parts of Astoria, and it's 626 people over its target. So these three districts, 1, 2, and 3, all will need to see their boundaries change and fewer people put inside those districts. And District 4 and District 5 will have to grow and add population. Now, it doesn't, to say that they have to grow and add population doesn't mean that they need to cover a larger area of the county. It means that they need to include more populous zones. So to give you an example of what I'm talking about with that, let's look at these numbers again and what they represent. These numbers represent the population size of a block group represented by the black boundaries. So District 5 needs to add about 691 people. Well, we see here this number in this block group in Seaside actually contains about 675 people. So one simple, and it's in District 2, not in District 3 or District 5. So one simple solution could be to move this block group into District 5, and that would put District 5's population at its target. It would, however, put District 2 a little below. So if we take 675 people out, this target number would go below 0. But that's basically the trade-offs that we'll be looking at when we're talking about redistricting on the maps. So District 2's population has grown in these cities. District 1's population has grown in Warrenton and Western Astoria. And District 3's population consists of Central and Eastern Astoria and is also over the target by 210 people. The other thing you'll notice when you zoom in is that population numbers will swap from individual block groups, and there'll be many more numbers representing population in individual blocks. So the actual rebalancing can be done more fine-grained, and these individual blocks align better with the commissioner districts than do the block groups we looked at before.